Today we are going to discuss about the don'ts and do's of pregnancy. Let's discuss about the don'ts first. In first trimester, we always tell patients no traveling for a long distance, no bumpy bike rides, no heavy weight lifting, no sexual relation till it is advised after which we advise after 12 weeks. So regarding food, no raw papaya. It's a myth that papaya should not be taken. Papaya is healthy, but here we always ask about the raw papaya or papaya seeds which are not healthy, and pineapple and anything which has MSG or any class 1 preservative that should not be taken. Drinks with caffeine, the studies have shown that it causes behavioral disorder in the baby, but though we have a permissible limit of 180 milligram per day, so all these Diet Coke and any cold drinks also has caffeine in it, so you can restrict the intake to 75 to 100 ml per day. And anything, as we discussed, class 1 preservatives, so it comes in real fruit juice or Tropicana or this Tetra Pak milk or anything that is packed food or the frozen items, that should be avoided. And if you are a non-vegetarian, make sure that you are taking well-cooked egg or well-cooked omelette. It should not be half-boiled. Liver part of chicken and mutton, usually it has to be avoided till 12 completed weeks because it has high vitamin A. That studies have shows that it can cause cleft lip and cleft palate. And seafood also should be avoided. The whole idea of avoiding seafood is because it has high mercury content. But the same thing if you're taking from the freshwater fishes, they are healthy. But the seafood is considered as unhealthy. Why? Because of high mercury content, because it causes Minamata disease in the baby. So this is how the don'ts is. Now let's discuss about the do's of pregnancy. So we will classify under the 5 headings. First we'll discuss about the nutrition in pregnancy. So the baby's brain development is very important because it first is the maternal genes or the genes from the parents. Second is the thyroid of the mother, which is again very important for the IQ level of the baby and intelligence of the baby, mathematical skills of the baby. And then the food that the mother takes in the 9 months, that is again very important. So important things is that a mother should always take essential fatty acid, omega-3, DHA and choline. Choline is something which is very important for the memory of the baby. So which many people, they think that dry fruits causes heat production. Nothing like that. You should always take dry fruits, good quality dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, handful of pista. Again, the quantity whatever, like it's not that you should take only 3-4, you can take 8 to 10 dry fruits, 8 to 10 almonds also per day, and walnuts 2 to 3 walnuts and handful of pista per day. And you should always take this green leafy vegetable like palak, pethi, moringa, then beetroot, carrot, and all the green vegetables, as well as milk products like paneer, tofu, and this curd, milk in any form you can take it. Non-veg, again, chicken, it doesn't causes heat production. The spices that you use in that causes heat production. So chicken in any form, mutton also you can take it, but please avoid exotic meats. The seeds in pregnancy. So seeds again are very healthy, like chia seeds and flax seeds, and then because these are rich in omega-3 and DHA. And you can also take flax seeds in pregnancy. The poppy seeds should be avoided. And then again you should take it 3 major meals and 2 minor meals. Second is the water intake. Water intake has to be 3.5 to 4 liters per day. It's very important to hydrate yourself. And second, more water intake will help to remove the toxins from the body, and it will prevent the chances of urinary infection too. Third is proper sleeping. Sleeping has to be like 8 hours in the night, and if you get time, sleep for 1 hour in the daytime as well. See, the sleeping position, whether it's left-sided or right side, it's of not much of important in the first trimester of pregnancy. Sleeping on the left side, usually we say after 14 to 15 weeks, tell our patients to do it when the gravid uterus comes in the abdomen. And the whole idea of sleeping in the left side is that it will compress the bigger vessels, which are mostly on the right side. So, but in between you can change the position. Hygiene part. Hygiene again is very common in pregnancy. So you should always look for any wide discharge or frequent urination or urgency. Whenever you have those kind of symptoms, please go and see your doctor. And finally, the mental peace. Mental peace is very, very important in pregnancy. More the happy the mother is, more happy the baby will be. Mental peace has something to do with the psychological development of the baby. So try to be very positive and happy in pregnancy. Thank you.